to go this way. Oh, okay. See, there is two. So this one over here. But you won't need to do this. Trust me. And then you're gonna go inside here. Okay. Is it going like that? No. No. Okay. I've never done that way, so let me try. No. Let's try. Like that, and then around here, the shiny thing.
Okay, wait. Go slower. Oh, I just hit a dog. I can't see anything. You don't have a light?
You will have to use that.
This one?
Yeah, I think so.
I hate it here. Go ahead, Mom.
Okay. So.
This, you said the metal thing.
Yeah. Okay, that's good. And then you're gonna use this one. And you're gonna put this inside. Right there.
Is that what you meant by making thread?
Yeah. Let's go this way. There's two holes, so you try to get one of them. There it is, and then you let it go a couple of times. Shit.
And how long do you have to do that?
Use forever.
Why do you keep pulling it out?
I don't know. No idea. Okay, it goes in here. And then you're gonna change this. Did it go in there? Yeah. Okay, let me see. If I remember correctly. Is it right there? Yeah.
I was about to say, if it was me, I'd be like, did you pay the electric bill?